Hey guys, Snow here, and today is Saturday, July 9th, 2022, and I have big news. Finally got the dishwasher in, and even the sink, but however, there's only hot water coming, because we could get the hot water supply turned off, and that allowed us to easily install plumbing without, yeah. But however, we could never, we could install the hot water, but however, we could not install cold because the cold water, however, will not shut off when we shut, everything off outside. When we shut the switch off outside. And we did that once, like about a week ago, and my dad and I were trying to get it shut off. My dad and I were trying to get it to turn off, and it would just not turn off, no matter what. I think it's dead. But next month we are going to call a plumber and see how we can get cold water in here. But yeah, and then after, here's what the here's what the plumbing looks like under here. We got PEX, PVC, steel just for the sink, and dishwasher hose. I ran the dishwasher today for the first time, so I put the parts of that in there. That is not mine. I'm just servicing it for somebody. Overall, I like yellow DC-14s. Yeah, but tomorrow I'm gonna put the parts for this in the dishwasher. Yeah, however, when Dad turned the water back on, we had forgotten that these were left on. Dad thought he turned them off, but he did not. But however, when Dad turned them on, I was in here to make sure there were no leaks, and water just starts spraying out of here, making a mess on the hardwood floor. So I sucked the most of it with the Hoover floor mate right there. So we got it cleaned up, no leaks. Ran the dishwasher today. I'm so glad to have it back in service. So anyways, it does it for the video. So just comment, subscribe for more.